This video is all about the passive. What is it and how do we use it in German? Let's find out. So in this video we're going to work out how to recognize what the passive is and to use it ourselves. So let's start by having a look at a few examples in German. Der Geburtstag wurde gefeiert. 2013 wurden 64,2 Millionen Euro gespendet. Vielen Helfern wurde gedankt. Die Reise wurde Herr Reid on Tour genannt. Die Tour wurde von 750.000 Menschen besucht. We use the passive when we don't know who did the action, or it's just not important who did it. We want to focus on what was actually happening. It's also a really good way to mix up your writing and your speaking, and will look good when you're doing your GCSEs. Let's take a look at this sentence. Der Geburtstag wurde gefeiert. The birthday was celebrated. We don't know in this sentence who is celebrating, whose birthday it is, but the focus is on the birthday and celebrations. This form of the passive is the werden passive. To form it, you need the imperfect form of werden, so wurde, was, or wurden, were, and then you need the past participle, which often, but not always, starts with GE. Danke fürs Zuschauen. Auf Wiedersehen.